Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, great job, everybody. And now that we're done with our music time, well, let's look at today's schedule. Now, what do you see that's different about today?
Fire drill!
That's right, Marcus. We have a fire drill today after free time and before lunch.
Fire drill?
Now, let's talk about what we do during a fire drill so we all know what to expect. Does anyone remember?
Put your work down, leave it all, then line up against the wall. Listen closely, if there's more, then follow Miss Jennifer out the door.
That's right. When we hear the alarm go off, we follow those steps. And the alarm is pretty loud. Well, everyone in the building needs to be able to hear it. So you might be surprised when it goes off.
Well, Julia doesn't like loud noises. Oh, sorry. Julia doesn't like loud noises.
Thank you for thinking of her, Zoe. Julia, you can put on your headphones. They're in your... Oh, they're not in your cubby. Oh, let's look for them.
Oh, but Elmo can help Julia find the headphones.
Oh, thank you, Elmo. We're starting free time, so you can look for them now.
Okay, sure. Come on, Julia, let's go look for them.
Headphones, 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 headphones.
Oh, we'll find them, Julia. Now, they've got to be around here somewhere.
Oh, loud alarm.
Oh, yeah. The alarm might be loud, but we'll find the headphones before the drill.
Oh, no headphones.
Oh, Julia looks worried. How can Elmo help?
Belly breathe.
Oh, yeah, we can belly breathe together. Then we'll feel better and we can look again.
Slowly breathe in.
Slowly breathe in.
Slowly breathe out.
Slowly breathe out.
Hey, you two. Did you find the headphones yet?
Oh, not yet, Miss Jennifer, but we'll keep looking.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh,
Keep looking.
yeah, there's a table over here. Maybe it's on the table. Oh. Hey, Julia!
Headphones.
We found them.
Julia, I see you have your headphones on. Great work, you two. It's wonderful to see friends helping each other. And thank you for being so kind, Elmo, and helping Julia look.
Oh, sure.
Oh, and you're all just in time because the fire drill is about to start right now.
Oh.
Okay, it's fire drill time. What do we do when we hear the alarm?
Put your work down, leave it all, then line up against the wall. Listen closely, if there's more, then follow Miss Jennifer out the door.
Great job, everyone. Now this way, follow me.
Let's go.
Single file.